Hello. In this video we will be showing you how to search for ebooks on the Human Kinetics Library resource. The Human Kinetics Library is a great resource for those studying in the field of sport, as it contains a number of ebooks as well as videos. Once you're able to sign in to Human Kinetics Library, you should find yourself on a page like this, which will tell you that the Human Kinetics Library contains over 180 ebooks and 300 videos. But for this following exercise, we'll use the search engine just below the main menu. If you just type in exercise into the search engine, and then just click on the search button next to it, the magnifying glass, you should find yourself on the following results page. In the Refine Results section, which you can find on the left side of the screen, if you scroll down to the bottom of that section, you will come across the Access option. Make sure that the option Only Show Content which I have full access to has a tick next to it. Also, in the Refine Results section, you can change the search from ebook to video just by simply clicking on video, and you will notice that the results on the right side of the screen will change automatically. If you wish to watch one of these videos, say for example exercise ball squat, you'll be taken to the following page where you can watch that video, which also gives you the option to switch subtitles on or off.
To perform the exercise ball squat, start in
You can also happen to view a transcript of the video by simply clicking on the Show Transcript button, which can be found on the right side of the screen underneath the video. If you go back to the results page and go back to ebooks, you can also narrow down your search by changing the date range to be more recent, like searching between 2020 to 2022. And then once you've typed them in, just click on the Go button and you'll notice that the results section will change automatically. You can also change the arrangement of the results section by clicking on the Sort By option. And in the drop-down menu, you can arrange the results by relevance, title ascending, title descending, date ascending, and date descending. If you click on one of the ebooks, for example, Lipid Metabolism and Exercise, you'll be taken to the following page where you can read that ebook in full text format.